Hey, it's Felicia and Elisa coming at you with another awesome updo. Elisa, take it away.
Yes, I'm gonna teach you how to do it. This time we're gonna starting instead of going all the way to the circle to the front, we just have half of it. Today I'm doing it a different way. Every time it's gonna be a little bit different way. So this way is gonna be right in the middle, halfway today. So you're gonna do 2 knots. You see it? Just go 2. And then we put a bobby pin in there. We just put a bobby pin right in the middle. So we still have this, and we still have this. See it? We keep it outside. We don't touch this. Okay, when you don't touch this, and then we put a clip on it, just make sure you don't touch it. This and this. So from there, you can grab this part to this part. Another 2 part, and then right in the middle. See it?
Mm-hmm.
And then you drag it right up. You drag it all the way right up to here. Okay? You see it?
What I think is neat is you're not using an elastic for this one.
Yeah. Sometimes I use elastic, sometimes I don't. So if you don't use elastic, I use crisscross with the bobby pin. You see, you crisscross it, so it can last you for tomorrow, can stay in the whole night. You see it? So you use this pin and then you pin it up so it won't fall. So there, you see the differences? So in this part, you can keep this down just for a look. So you comb this all the way on the back, and then you twist it all the way. See? See? You have this one, and you have the old one. You have 2 together right now. You see it? And then this part, you just leave this, the one on the bottom. So you have 2 bottom right now. And then this, don't touch, and this, the little one that is sitting there, you just tape it up. So you see it? There you go. You just put it up first. And then this one you need crisscross again, because you need this one for sure, you need it secure because it's holding the 2 of them. Holding all this straight piece. You see the straight piece? You take this one out, and then you're holding all this. This is all hold tight. And then this one, you can use a tease comb and tease all the way. You find all the little straight piece. You just make a style into it. You see it? And then on the front, the same thing. You just tease and tease, and then you put hairspray on. The last minute touch, you use hairspray on. So this is the hairspray, and then you just put it on. What happens is during the daytime, nighttime, it falls down because it's over heavy. So you just tease all these straight pieces. You see all the straight pieces that you forgot that we put it on the side. So you do it all the way to the ends that you like. See? Because I cannot see the back. And then this is the highlight of the hair. So you bring it all down. If you find this part is too much hair, you can always bend another piece. You can bend another piece, twist it up, and then you put a bobby pin into it. So you can have a little bit of look at the same time, and you still have a messy look at the same time. So this can put another bobby pin because it's too heavy for you. And then you play around. And then this piece, the long piece is right in the front. You just can use a curling iron and just curl it, just like this. Just curl it into it and then just give you a little bit of look.
And you have a little one piece by the nape of your neck right there.
Oh, this can
Right
put
here,
it
just
up.
bobby pin it.
Yeah, you can put it right up.
Perfect.
You can hide it up. You can do whatever you like. You see? There you go. You can play with it. And then on the finished touch, this is the finished touch. You just put a lot of hairspray on top, and then there is your look. And whatever pieces that you see that you want to bring it down, you just bring it down. Make sure this is up enough so you can sleep on it in the nighttime. You see it? And then you just touch up with hairspray. There you go.
It's a
And then
nice tousled look.
you can do whatever you like.
Show us the front. It looks really nice.
This is my front looking, and then off the face, and then curling iron here and there.
Really nice. I like it.
Give it a try.
Yeah, and give this video a thumbs up. Give it some love, and don't forget to follow You Do Updo for more updo inspiration. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.